Dear students, today we will continue same exercise, exercise 8. In that sixth one, a train covers 272 km in 4 hours. What distance will it cover in 7 hours? Here we have to find out what distance will it cover in 7 hours. Let's see the solution. Distance covered by train in 4 hours is equal to 272 km. So first we have to find out distance covered by train in 1 hour. How we can find out? What we have to do? We have to do division. We have to divide 272 by 4. Four six are 24. 7 minus 4 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. Next we have to take 2 down. 4 8 are 32. 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. Therefore, distance covered by train in 1 hour is equal to 68 km. Next we have to find out distance covered by train in 7 hours. How we can find out? What we have to do? We have to do multiplication. So we have to multiply 68 into 7. 7 8s are 56. So I will write 6 here and 5 carry. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 5 47. Therefore, distance covered by train in 7 hours is equal to 476 km. Let's solve 8-1. 12 kg rice costs rupees 5,400. Find the cost of 23 kg rice. Here we have to find out the cost of 23 kg rice. Let's see the solution. Cost of 12 kg rice is equal to rupees 5,400. So first we have to find out cost of 1 kg. How we can find out cost of 1 kg? What we have to do? We have to do division. We have to divide 5,400 by 12. Twelve 4s are 48. 4 minus 8 is not possible to subtract, so we have to borrow from next number. Your next number is 5. If you borrow from 5, then 5 becomes 4 and here 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. 4 minus 4 is 0. Next we have to take 0 down. 12 5s are 60. 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. Next we have to take 0 down. So we have to put here 0. Therefore, cost of 1 kg is equal to rupees 450. Next we have to find out cost of 23 kg rice. How we can find out cost of 23 kg rice? What we have to do? We have to do multiplication. We have to multiply cost of 1 kg by 23. So 450 into 23. Here 3 at 1's place and 2 at 10's place. So first we have to multiply 450 by 3. 3 into 0 is 0. 3 5s are 15. So I will write 5 here and 1 carry. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Next I will put multiplication sign in 1's place. Next we have to multiply 450 by 2. 2 into 0 is 0. 2 5s are 10. So I will write 0 here and 1 carry. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Next we have to add both the products. 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 0 is 3. 1 plus 9 is 10. So the answer is 10,350. Therefore, cost of 23 kg rice is equal to rupees 10,350. Let's solve ninth one. The price of 6 cakes is rupees 960. Find the price of 34 such cakes. Here we have to find out the price of 34 such cakes. Let's see the solution. Cost of 6 cakes is equal to rupees 960. Here first we have to find out cost of 1 cake. How we can find out cost of 1 cake? What we have to do? We have to do division. So we have to divide 960 by 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. Next we have to take 6 down. 6 6 are 36. 6 minus 6 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. Next we have to take 0 down. So we have to put here 0. Therefore, cost of 1 cake is equal to 160. Next, we have to find out cost of 34 cakes. So, what we have to do? How we can find out cost of 34 cakes? Next, we have to find out cost of 34 cakes. How we can find out cost of 34 cakes? What we have to do? We have to do multiplication. We have to multiply cost of 1 cake, that is rupees 160 by 34. Here 4 at 1's place and 3 at 10's place. So first we will multiply 160 by 4. 4 into 0 is 0. 4 6 are 24. So I will write 4 here and 2 carry. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Next I will put multiplication sign in 1's place. Next I will multiply 160 by 3. 3 into 0 is 0. 3 6 are 18. So I will write 8 here and 1 carry. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Next we have to add both the products. 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. 6 plus 8 is 14. So I will write 4 here and 1 carry. 4 plus 1 is 5. The answer is 5,440. Therefore, cost of 34 cakes is equal to rupees 5,440. Today's homework: solve 7th one and 10th one in your maths notes.